My friend, go and sit down. You don't know anything.
Let's go and ask him.
You should go and ask him. Good day, sir.
Bless you, my son.
Pastor.
Bless you.
Pastor, well done.
I hope everything is okay.
Everything's supposed to be okay.
What is the matter?
Don't be angry. Is this question I want to ask you?
Hey, go ahead, fire me.
If you want to, bro, how do you say it?
You mean pushing two? You want to do pushing two?
Pastor, if you want to pipe,
Pep.
how do you say it?
I'm a pastor. I don't do plumbing work.
She mean if you want to kobos. You want to kobos.
Is that another step of dancing?
Oh, Pastor, if you want to fuck, how do you say it?
Yeah, I will answer the question anyway. Am I a human being?
You are supposed to be a human being.
Very good. Now the Bible said when you are married, you have the liberty, you have the enthusiasm, you have every right. I don't listen to what I'm trying to say. What did you call it just now?
Bro.
What did you call it again?
Kobos.
Kobozu.
Pipe.
Piping. What did you call it again? Megbeswegbe. I heard somebody say Bishitu. Good. When she bites me, wherever she may be.
To maybe.
I don't waste my time. I summon her. Tago.
Golindo.
My daughter is something you should do when you are free. Anyhow you call it, it doesn't matter so long you get to where you are going to.
Baba, the way things are going now, I need protection. Talk to the gods, do something. Throw something.
My brother, follow God. Your babalawo can just die anytime.
Skopetenya.
Anytime. What do you mean?
Baba, can you shut up?
But I'm here for you.
Ekufi, you can die at any time.
I will deal with you.
Enjoy yourself.